Hi, I'm Lily, and this is the presentation over my course theme. So I decided to go with the Declaration of Independence, and I decided to go with this because I am a social studies education major, and which means I can teach econ, government, or history, and I really want to be able to teach history. And I feel like this is a very important part of our history, and it's a subject that isn't too broad. I also looked at the state standards for middle school kids, and I found the standard that says to analyze the cause and effects of the Declaration of Independence, so it applies to the classroom. And if there's anything else that I want my kids to learn about, we can learn about who wrote the Declaration of Independence and why they wrote it. And a lot of people think that Thomas Jefferson is the only person that wrote it, but there was also lots of other people that were involved.